painful to watch, isn't it? Unfortunately, that's exactly what's happening to your money if you don't protect your campaigns from bot traffic. Fake clicks and conversions can also seriously damage your image as a pro affiliate marketer. But don't worry, Voluum has the perfect cure now. The Anti-Fraud Kit. It's a great solution built into Volume Ad Tracker. It will detect suspicious clicks and visits, indicate unreal conversion times, and give you all the data to help you block non-human traffic or get a refund from your traffic source. No more need for additional costly and hard to integrate anti-fraud tools. So what are you waiting for? Stop wasting your money. Track and protect your campaigns in one place. Volume. Get Volume now with free Anti-Fraud Kit.